Applying these principles, planning, clearly define project scope, objectives, and deliverables. Develop a project management plan with defined tasks, timelines, resources, and budget. Identify and analyze potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Execution. Assign tasks and responsibilities to project team members. Implement effective communication channels to keep stakeholders informed. Monitor progress against the plan and identify any deviations or issues. Monitoring and control. Regularly track progress, identify any variances from the plan, and take corrective actions as needed. Closing. Formally complete the project and ensure all deliverables are met. Conduct a lessons learned review to identify areas for improvement and document them for future projects. Benefits of using relevant ISO principles in project management. Improved project success rates through structured planning and execution, enhanced communication and collaboration within the project team, increased efficiency and resource utilization. Finally, there's the closing phase. This is where the project is finalized and delivered. It's also the time to reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how things can be improved for future projects. This phase formally complete the project and ensure all deliverables are met.